This is an introduction to creating your own website using HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it's the language that all websites are based on. So this is where we have to start. I'll be using the website w3schools.com. So this is a great website for getting you straight into it. It's got practical examples that you can try out. And we'll start here at the heading HTML Basic. We can go straight to this one. And the great thing about this website is you can try the examples yourself and see what happens. So we're going to just go straight into the first one. Try it yourself. And on the left here, what you see is the code that you're going to write yourself. And on the right, this is how it appears on the website. So this is what it looks like at the moment. It's just my first heading and my first paragraph. We're going to go in now and change that. So my heading. So just at this stage, you think of some idea that you have yourself for a website and what that website would be, what its heading would be. For example, mine is Joe's Chipper. Obviously, the internet is not a place you'd advertise a chipper that much, but we'll just use this as an example. And so the heading of my website is going to be Joe's Chipper, and my first paragraph is what we do, maybe. So we sell lovely chips. I'm going to run that. And there you see it, we have a new heading, Joe's Chipper, and the first paragraph, we sell lovely chips. Now let's look at the code so we can learn something here. What I've done is this little tag, as it's called, H1, that stands for main header, H1, main heading, and /H1 is where the heading ends. So that's why I put Joe's Chipper in there. Now the next one is P for paragraph. So the same idea, the tag P starts the paragraph, the tag /P ends the paragraph. Also at the very start of your program you have a tag for HTML, and to show that the program has ended, you have /HTML down here. And in between the main body of your code, you have a tag for body and a tag /body to say it has ended. So that's the first program done. Now on to the next one. Try it yourself again. This shows you all the various headers you can have in HTML. So in this one, there is H1 down to H6, different size headings basically. So let's change a few of these. So for heading 1, we sell, and under number 2, chips, burgers, sausages, fish, cans. Hit run. And again, this is what your website looks like now. We sell is the main heading, chips, burgers, sausages, fish, and cans. All different size headings that you can use. On to the next one. So this is more on paragraphs. Try it yourself again. So the first paragraph, we open weekdays. And the second paragraph, we open weekends. And we'll run that. So you can see the idea here. If you've got several paragraphs in your web page, you can separate them like this. The first paragraph, tag P, you end the paragraph with /P, and then you start a new paragraph. So that's that one done. Now the next one is if you want to reference another website from your own website. So just to explain this one, what happens here is there's a heading again. So this is about my friend's chipper. we have a new heading. I'm directing people to another website of my friend's chipper in the next town, for example. So this is in the next town. And what you do then is you put in the link to whatever your friend's chipper is down here. So this uses the link of w3schools.com, but obviously you just put in whatever website you want to go to here. So you see the tag is ahref equals and /a to finish it. Now, also what you want the link to say. So it says at the moment this is a link. So we just say something like order now. So you go to this website and order now. So run that. So there it is, my friend's chipper in the next town, order now. And when you click on order now, his website comes up. So we click on that. Obviously it's the W3 Schools website at the moment, but as I said, you can put in any website there that you like. Okay, on to the next one. This next one is if you want to insert a picture in your website. So again, a similar idea for the heading. This is a photo of our chips. And that's the heading, and maybe a paragraph heading again. Yum, yum. And in the next line, IMG SRC, so image source. Now you put a link to the photo that you want, the photo of your, in this case, of your chipper or your chips or whatever the dish is, and you put that photo in here instead of the photo they've got, which is their own photo, just as an example. So if you run that now, so this is a photo of our chips, yum yum, and your photo would appear here, whatever photo you decide to put under source. Also, if there's something broken in the source, I mean, if I just make a misprint here, for example, so just take out one letter or two letters and run it again, there's an alternate message here that comes up, so it links to another website, so you can run here and see what it does. So when it's broken, it just gives you an alternative website to go to, w3schools.com, and you can see the width and the height of your picture can be set here as well. So moving on, if you want to put a button of some sort on your website, try it yourself here. So again, click on me or order now in our case. So run again. So there's your order button. So that's the tag button and / button to finish. And the last one in this lesson is HTML lists. So again, try it yourself. Now you can see over here an unordered list versus an ordered list. At the moment, unordered means just no numbers, just bullet points, whereas down here you can number them. And the only difference in the code you can see here is U for unordered, UL is the tag, OL is the tag for ordered. So let's try that. So chips, burger, sauce. So there's a list that's unordered. If we just click run at this stage, there's your chips, burger, and sauce, unordered. Now ordered is this. So maybe something like small, medium, and large. And click run. And again, there you have it. You can change these headings as well if you want. But there's an unordered list, chips, burgers, and sauce, and an ordered list, number 1 small, number 2 medium, number 3 large. And that's the end of the first tutorial on HTML. As you can see, you can teach yourself by running the examples. That's the best way to learn it, hands-on examples.